everyone, how are you today? I wish you guys doing absolutely fabulous. Meet me again in my food channel FoodComa by MissBlackRose. Assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Carolina barbecue sauce. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and kindly subscribe. Let's make this together. Hello, John. Hi, wake up. We're going to work. We're going to make some video and food, recording something, and you are the star, remember? Hey. Just sleeping. Alright then, I do it myself. Right, everyone, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna use to make this sauce. Okay, I'm gonna start with apple cider vinegar, olive oil, honey, and classic French mustard. Can you see it? Here. Alright, okay. Mustard with seed, you know, like a green mustard, Siracha, or just a normal chili sauce, tomato ketchup, salt, black pepper, crushed chili powder, and garlic powder. Right, okay. All the ingredients I will write down on the description, so do not fuss about it. You will see and everything there. Okay, let's start. Right, done. So you just taste it. If you feel like you want to have more chili, or you have more vinegar, whatever, you know, you can just add it more according to your taste. Okay, for me this is done, and let me try. That's for me it's just beautiful, but I like to put more chili, you know. I'm Asian, so I love chili. Okay, right, okay, this is the Carolina barbecue sauce. It will be fantastic for any barbecue, like chicken, grill, or fishes or something. This is the result of Carolina barbecue sauce of my versions. So this is fantastic for your barbecue, grill, or bake. Well, it's good for chicken, meat, or seafood. So if you think that is not really spicy or not really you know, sour enough or something, you can just add it as you like until you find the taste you prefer, you know. So it doesn't have to be really stiff with this you know, the amount of what I use. Okay guys, so if you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. John, hello. The sauce is ready. Hey.